Stop, Akara! Come back! Where's she? This way. There has to be an easier game to play than tag.
What's going on, Akorja?
We're minding the baby chicks, Inniu. While Cheep prepares her nest. And we're minding the baby gráinneog, Inniu, too. Go, will she? Yeah. There you are. You're so quiet, I almost lost you.
It looks like you've got your hands full, Inniu.
We didn't check with each other before making plans to mind them all. You're the enemies. Oh, poor Bláithín. We've been chasing those chicks for hours. They just never seem to get tired.
Don't worry, there's 4 of us and 6 of them. It's Vaderlin.
We just need to keep them where we can see them all. This bird seed should help. See? They're always hungry.
That's it, Ameer. We just need to keep them happy with things they like.
Maybe there's something cute we can do that everybody likes.
What about story time? Everyone loves a good scale.
On smuoine Fia. Tarlum. Inniu has been a long day. Finally, it's story time. Right, gráinneog?
Huh?
Coilchi!